All right, it's our second morning out here camping. Still out here at this same spot we've been at, but we're thinking about packing up camp and heading over to Lake Wenatchee. It's about 45 minutes away from here, and neither of us have ever been there. My dad grew up in Lake Chelan area, but he's never been to Lake Wenatchee because it's a little bit out of the way. So yeah, we were thinking we might go camp there for the next night or maybe 2 nights, but it's pretty busy, so we're trying to find if we can get a camping spot. And hopefully we can, and then we'll be planning to hang out there for the next day or two. We made it over to Lake Wenatchee, and man, this campground is really busy. There's only a few open spots, but we did find one that's open, and it's got a power and water hookup over here for the RV. So I just pulled the car in here just to, you know, hold it so no one else takes it, and my dad's circling around with the RV, and then yeah, we'll go reserve this spot and then probably go check out the lake here in a bit. Just got camp set up here at the Lake Wenatchee campground, and now we're gonna eat some lunch. Got some leftover pulled pork and brisket. Gonna have some little sliders, and then I'll probably go check out the lake here in a bit. It's pretty hot today, so I need to go swimming again. Man, it's pretty warm out right now. It's about 102 degrees. We just been sitting in the camper for a little bit in some AC to cool off. I'm headed over to the lake right now. We're in the north part of the campground, I believe, and the lake is in the south part, or at least the better access to the lake is in the south part. So that's where I'm headed. I've got my drone and stuff. I don't know if flying drones there is allowed, but I've got it just in case. And yeah, I'm gonna head over there, hang out in the sun for a bit. Definitely planning to get in the water since it's so warm out, but yeah, that's where I'm headed for now. Just pulled up to the beach access at the lake, and it's pretty busy, a lot of people here, but I got a perfect parking spot right here under a tree, so I got some good shade so my car won't get too hot while I'm out there. But yeah, that's the lake over there. Got a nice beach access. I think they sell ice cream and snow cones and stuff over there. Just laying here getting some sun at the lake right now. It feels pretty good. I went in the water for a little bit to cool off. I've been out of the water here in the sun for a little bit though, so I should probably grab my GoPro and head back into the water before I get too hot. Just finished up hanging out at the lake. It was super refreshing out there. The temperature got up to like 102 today, but while I was out there in the water, it felt great. It's about 5:30 now, so I'm gonna head back to camp, see what my dad's up to, and we'll probably get some dinner here in a bit. I don't know if we're gonna cook something in the camper or go grab something somewhere, but that's the plan for the rest of the night. We're out for dinner right now at this place called 59er Diner. We actually came here last night, but it was pretty good, so we're back here again. Yeah, I guess this place is pretty well known. Guy Fieri came here for Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives a couple months ago. I don't think the episode has aired yet, but yeah, it's gotten pretty popular since then and was already popular, but yeah, that's what we're having for dinner, and hopefully it's as good as last night. Just brought our food out. Dad got a mushroom Swiss burger. Looks pretty good there. Got some chili cheese fries, and I got a Philly cheesesteak. Probably more food than I need to eat, but we'll definitely eat it all. We just finished up our dinner. It was delicious again. Now we gotta go order some milkshakes. And of course, any great 50s themed diner has got to have the Marilyn Monroe bathroom.